Hey man, you wanna fight me? What? I gotta get out of here. Help me! Help me! Help me! No, please don't! Please don't! Whoop-de-doop-de-doo, just going on my daily walk. What is that over there? Is that a dead body? Hey man, I just found a dead body.
You did? Well, let's go look at it.
Why? Are you the killer?
Well, no.
Here it is.
Well, it looks like he was killed by a chainsaw. That's insane.
I know.
Well, it looks like we're in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, even though we're not in Texas.
Well, let's get out of here. I'm kind of scared.
Well, alrighty, let's leave. Well, I'm just gonna take a little nap. Hey, I just found a dead body.
Okay. I'm looking at the sun because it reminds me of a cheeseburger.
You have to be kidding me. Snap out of it.
Well, all right, show me where it is.
Okay, over here.
I think you're the killer.
I'm not the killer. Here's the first crime scene. He looks like he was killed by a chainsaw. Poor little thing. Here's the second crime scene, officer. There's 2 dead bodies, both killed by chainsaws. Who could have done such a thing? What is that noise?